Hello everyone, this is Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 16, जिसका नाम है School versus Education. Let's start discussing book exercise for Unit 16 by discussing questions related to reading comprehension first. So first question is, what does Baker see as the difference between school and education? Answer. According to Baker's view, schools are just focused on enabling students to take the test and satisfy the testers. The criteria of schools to evaluate a student whether he is dumb or smart is test. The sole purpose of school is to prepare students for college, and in college they are prepared for the next level, which is university. Baker says it is not the race for grades that makes one educated, it is reading the writings, the great authors with a curious mind that makes one educated. Second question, what can we infer about Baker's attitude towards television? Answer. In the essay, Baker has shared some positive and some negative perspectives about television. According to him, the child learns bad things from TV. He says that from television, a child learns how to pick a lock, how to commit a bank holdup, how to prevent wetness all day long, how to get laundry as twice as wide, and how to kill people with sophisticated weapons. Thus, it can be inferred that Baker thinks that television can cast both type of effects on children, as it is one of the most informative sources. Third question, Baker's tone is very cynical in school versus education. To what extent do you think he means what he says? Explain. Answer. Baker's tone is cynical and satirical, and he points that our education system is not as good as it should be. Children only learn violation, commercialism, materialism, selfishness from schools, television, and their parents as well, because their parents had also studied in the same educational system. All they learn have no role in making a good, peaceful society. In the end, children become adults with no moral values and no care for others. Fourth question. What is the main idea of Baker's essay? Answer. The main idea of the Baker's essay is that our education system, television programs, and the behavior of parents should change. Sometimes parents might not even realize the negative effects their actions have on their children. In many cases, parents might have a corrupt influence on their children, so we should try to instill moral values in our students, make them good and obedient persons. Last question, pick out some transitional devices from the text, school versus education. What purpose do they serve? Answer. Transitional devices are words or phrases that connect one sentence or paragraph with another. They're used to smoothly carry thoughts and ideas from one point to the next. Here are some of the transitional devices used by the author in this essay, School versus Education. First is, and has been used frequently to join grammatically equivalent sentence elements. In what is the point of school besides attendance? Besides has been used to add a point. In thus the student learns, thus has been used to show a result. In neither he, she, nor any of the many children, neither nor has been used to join words of the same grammatical form.